First, let's head to Windows. Come down to Record Voiceover. The shortcut for that is Alt Option Command 8. Clicking on it opens the VoiceOver dialog box. To have more control over your recording, you can hit this drop down arrow next to Advanced, which opens this dialog box. First, you see Input, which gives you the option to select which microphone to use. Next is Monitor. Turning it on gives you the option to listen to your audio or monitor your audio while recording. Then we move on to Gain. It's basically the gain for the monitoring levels when monitoring with headphones. You also have the option to have a 3-second countdown before your recording starts. Next is the option to mute the project on your timeline while recording and create audition from takes. The next event, which gives you the option to choose which event you want the recording to be saved. Next, the role of this recording, which can be dialogue 1, effect, or music. Now, I'm going to set my playhead where I want the recording to begin and show you how it works. 3, 2, 1. What is up, guys? Welcome to 1 Minute How To. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a YouTube account. Firstly, you need to open a Google account, which is the same as a Gmail account. Pause there, so I'm going to pause the recording. I'm going to set my playhead to where I made the mistake and continue from there. 3, 2, 1. First, we create a Google account, which is the same as a Gmail account. So I'm not going to go through the steps of doing that. I made a mistake again, so I'm going to come back here and start again. Alright, as you can see, if you make any mistakes, you can go ahead and trim, and you can edit it just like any media on your timeline. When you're done, close the recorder and fine-tune your recording. Alright, that's it for this video. Thanks a ton for watching. Ciao.